Let's spend some time now going through all the sharps on the keyboard. Let's start with the note C. Now raise it by a half step. We now have the note C sharp. Now start on the next white note, D. Raise D by a half step, and we have D sharp. If we now go to the next white note, E, you'll notice that there is no black key in between E and F. If we raise the note E by a half step, we could call the note E sharp, but of course it's also called F. From this point on, until the lessons on scales at least, all of the white keys will be called by their natural names. Remember that at this point we are only concerned with the names of the black keys. Okay, now starting from the note F, go up a half step, and we have an F sharp. Now go up to the next white note, G, raise G by a half step, and we have the note G sharp. Now go up to the next white note, A, raise A by a half step, and we have A sharp. Now if we go to the note B, you'll notice that there's no black keys in between B and C. We could raise the note B by a half step and call it B sharp, but as we are only concerned with the black keys for now, we'll call it by its natural name, which is C. So starting from C sharp, we have C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. Let's do it backwards, starting from C sharp. C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, and we're back on C sharp. It would be a good idea at this point to learn and memorize all the sharps before moving on to the flats.